We live in a fascinating world. We're surrounded by great products. They're all fastened together with, well, screws, nuts, and bolts. And that's typically what you see. But we at Bossard, we love to look at what you don't see. And what you don't see is what we call the hidden potentials of fastening. We help our customers surface this potential so they can boost their productivity. And how do we get this done? Well, it's simple. We analyze things like sourcing, design, engineering, logistics, handling, ordering, quality, stocking, or even assembly. So at the end, productivity could mean that it takes our customers less production time so they can save money and go lean. Or it could mean to engineer smart fastening solutions with less parts so our customers can dramatically reduce their inventory. Or it could mean mapping value streams so our customers can speed things up and beat their competitors. So, no matter if you're a CEO, a CFO, an engineer, a project, or a purchasing manager, today you have a choice. To either flatline your business by just looking at screws, nuts, and bolts, or to leapfrog your competition by looking at the bigger picture of what we call proven productivity. We've been around since 1831, so if you'd like to choose the path of proven productivity, we'd love to meet you and help you engineer your way to success.